All right. So let me introduce. All right. Let me start. Yeah. All right. Good afternoon, everyone, and good evening to Tom, and to those in Melbourne or Australia. It is 3 p.m. on Saturday. In Vietnam Thai, and it is 7 p.m. Melbourne and Sydney Thai. It is our pleasure to welcome you all to the webinar number 9, Econometrics for Beginners. It is our honor to present to you Professor Tom Smith of Macquarie University, Sydney, Australia. This is actually our third webinar that Tom have presented to us, right, on behalf of Knowledge Bridge and to all our 8,700 people of Knowledge Bridge who will be listening to you in Zoom now, as well as will be watching the live stream of your presentation. Right? We sincerely thank you for your time, for your dedication, and for your willingness to share your expertise. Right? My words is not good enough to say thank you. I just hope that you understand, right? That we sincerely appreciate your help. Right? Not much further. I would like to present to everyone Professor Tom Smith.